What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel, or two if you're new, because this is the first time of me doing a face cam. So I look really bad at the moment, but you know. So today is finally the day that the shadow set has arrived and everybody's been waiting for it. I've been waiting for it for so long, and I just realised that my teddy is purple, but never mind, I'm gonna fix that in a minute. So I was up till 4 o'clock in the morning last night waiting for the shadow set to come out, and I had no idea that it was for sale in Divinia Park. And then my friend let me use it, so I bought it last night, and me being a stupid idiot, I didn't think, and it was for sale literally for like 4 hours, and I didn't even know about it. So that's great. Okay, so I've already bought this set, and I'm legit broke right now, as you can see at my diamonds. There's a bird pecking at my window. There's a woodpecker. Right, I'm all laggy at the moment. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the shadow set on and show it to you, and yeah, I'm going to pair it with some stuff. And at the moment I'm wearing this outfit that I have on right now, which is the Batman heels, the goth sleeves, and the teddy, and my parasol. And yeah, I'm really lagging right now. It's like really lagging. I'm trying to stop it. Okay. Alright, I think it's got a little bit better now. Okay, so we're gonna go into dress up. Okay, right. Oh my god, we're gonna go into wearing, and we're gonna take everything that we have on off so we can put the shadow on. This lag is horrendous. Right, there we go. It's just lag really bad. Okay, right. So take all the stuff that we have on off. The shadow set on. It's amazing. I haven't actually really worn it yet, so it's gonna be like new for me to wear. I have had the shadow set before, but I never really wore it that much. But I didn't realise until I bought it yesterday like how beautiful it is, so I'm gonna wear it like all the time now. Go all the way down. Right, here we go. First item, and it's still lagging, and it's just not even open, it's just gonna win, right? Okay, so the first item we have is the Shadow Empress Chain Bodice. So the okay. We don't want that. Oh my god, why lagging so much? Do you know what? I'm just gonna pause this and I'm gonna put it on, and then I'll be back with you, okay? Okay, so we finally got the clutch now, so I think I can do the rest. Okay, so now we've got the Shadow Empress Fallen Angel sleeves. They are amazing and beautiful, and I'm going to press this again and put them on. So this there, and they look amazing. They're just so beautiful. I just love them all. The whole set is just like, every item in the set is my favourite. So yeah. Right, next item is the Shadow Empress Jeweled Crown. Okay, so this is the crown. You can't really see it because everybody's chatting and dressing up. See it, so thank you for that. Okay, so we're gonna put the Shadow Empress Chain boots on. The boots, and they are amazing. Everybody literally dies so beautiful, amazing, and I love them so much. So yeah, there's the boots, and with it all together, and we're gonna put the last item on her, and then we're gonna see the whole set together. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, so this is the full set all together, and someone is saying hi to me. I'm gonna say hello. Oh god, it's like, okay, I will be right back when I fix all of this lag out. So yeah, this video. Oh my god, this lag. Okay, right. I'm just gonna like continue with this. So laggy right now. Okay, so yeah, so this is all the set all together, and I'm so sorry about the lag. It's just really annoying me. I think it's because of my screen recorder and the game playing at the same time, because like the game is normally fine on my computer, like my laptop. It's just when I mix it with the screen recorder, it just lags like so much. Okay, so yeah, this is all the set all together, and I absolutely love it. It's amazing, and yeah, I was dying when it came out. I was legit screaming at 4 o'clock in the morning. I woke my mum up. Yeah, so I think that pretty much is the end of this video. I think I'm gonna just like pair it with my normal accessories that I use and change it to a colour that I wear a lot. I'm gonna show it to you like the stuff that I wear. Okay, so this is my outfit all together, and this is almost my finished outfit. I pretty much just kind of want to get a halo, which I'm trading my giant teddy for a low tier halo. So if anybody have a low tier halo and you're looking for the giant teddy, so like any halo, like a low tier halo like mermaid or old winter or something like that, even maybe spring. I'm not a big fan of spring, but it's still a halo, so I would probably accept it. But if you're trading a halo, or if you're looking for the giant teddy, or if you want to trade one of the low tier halos for my giant teddy, I would be so thankful. So yeah, I think that's the end of the video anyway. But yeah, so I paired it with all my accessories, like the costume and the teddy, the parasol, and it just looks like all really cool together. And yeah, I just leave it all. Okay. So I think that's the end of this video. Sorry it was a short one, but I will sort out this lag with the laptop for the next video. So my next video will probably be something like seeing what people offer for the giant teddy, or like me trying to trade the giant teddy for a halo or something like that, or it might be a trading movie or something, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me just getting annoyed at my lag and trying to just film a video of the shadow set. Anyway, so make sure to subscribe, like this video, and like comment all like kind of blah blah stuff that you want to comment. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys soon for the next video. I probably will be posting a video like next Thursday. I might try and post like every Thursday. Yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, happy Halloween, and have a good day. Bye.